Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving and what are the key levels for tomorrow. And let us quickly do a recap of what has happened yesterday. Yesterday, I did mention that this particular trend line holds a lot of importance for Bank Nifty index. And if this gets cut, then we are going to have a crisp and clear move. We have made somewhere around 1,39,103 rupees today. And, I have also given this view on the Telegram channel as a free view. So to join the Telegram channel, to understand the market and to also get a free view about what the market is doing and what are the key things to look out for, there is the link in the description below. I want you to go there and join us so that you can track our progress and also be a part of any important communications during market hours. So something like this will definitely go ahead and help you. And, nobody can actually tell you what the worth is. But however, also to let you know that this would be my last profit screenshot sharing in the YouTube terminal. I will only be doing a monthly MTM review at the end of the month during the expiry. Apart from that, I won't be telling you what profits that we are going to make. All that information will actually be given in the Telegram channel with the market analysis and the videos. And I would really appreciate if you join us over there and start this journey with us. Now, without further ado, let us go ahead and look out for what is happening here. The first thing that we need to understand and see is that, what next? So if you remember, we are once again back to the zone which was the most terrible one on the top has now become this. So if Bank Nifty tomorrow stays at the same area, okay, if the Bank Nifty stays at the same area, and now what would that area be? Now it would be somewhere around 36,321 till 35,752. So if it stays at this range, it is going to expire at this range. So tomorrow, I'm not expecting any volatile. I'm going to be expecting some volatility, but I would not be expecting a trending market. I would reckon that it would consolidate itself over here. But however, if it breaks this particular level of 35,754, then it is going to go ahead and stay at this particular level. All right. So you would need to go ahead and ensure that if you are getting a target on the put side, you book your profits by 35,329. And if you have fished the bottom, then you look at booking the profits at 35,700. So these are going to be the key levels for tomorrow. And I want you to watch out for that. And the second thing and the most important thing over here was Nifty. What was Nifty doing? Now, like I told you guys, Nifty is very volatile. It did break somewhere around 16,200, but then gave somewhere around 40 points and it did not hit our target. But still, this is a very volatile instrument as of now because it is near the all-time high. And, there is not an explanation that anybody could have. But, there are a lot of theories in terms of open interest, FII, some stocks moving, some stocks don't, coronavirus, and so many other things. But that doesn't matter. Okay, what matters is the charts on your screen. But I would say this is an invalid script for me. So I wouldn't be initiating any trades in Nifty. So I want you to be very, very careful on that particular front. Now, let's quickly go ahead and have a look at what are the key players that are performing over here. So at this moment, I think Tata Chemical has already gone ahead and achieved somewhere around 863. I had given you this review and I had told you that something of this sort might exactly be possible. And after 848, this was the target. So you can relate to the video that I sent on Sunday where I have mentioned about the stock, and all the other stocks are actually have not performed and given the signal. But however, if tomorrow Tata Chemicals takes out the range on the top of somewhere around 865, then we are going to have a very decent amount of move. And this move is going to take this particular script straight away to somewhere around 885 is what I have as a target. Now, I also on the weekend video, I did mention that I would be aiming for a target of somewhere around 1,25,000 for this particular week. And I think after making 32,000 loss and, 139 in profit. So I think I have just another 20,000 to go with another 2 days. So we are on time, we are on track. So let's hope for the best and see what will be the achievement that we are going to have so far. And to understand the market like how we do, to live trade with us, please join www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us, or please visit the Telegram channel to understand how we trade. understand our market views, and take your decisions very gracefully. Thank you so much for your time. And with this information, I leave you for the day. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind, take care, goodbye. See you on the other side. Bye bye for now.